Hey guys, RTT back here for another video. Guys, today we are benchmarking three different phones. We got the Surface Duo 2 right over here on the left hand side, which of course is running Android 11. It has 4 cores, 1.8 gigahertz for core 1, 3 cores, 2.42 gigahertz for 2, and 1 core 2.84 gigahertz for 3. Of course, we'll be running a CPU benchmark on that phone. Then we have the Surface Duo 1 right here, which of course is running Android 10. It also does go ahead and come in with a Qualcomm 4 core 1.79 gigahertz, 3 core 2.42 gigahertz, and 1 core 2.84 gigahertz. And finally, our last phone we have here is the Galaxy Fold 3, which of course is running Android 11 with the ARM CPU. It does have 4 core 1.80 gigahertz, 3 core 2.42 gigahertz, and 1 core 2.48. So let's go ahead and run it on all these phones. So let's go ahead and just hit run CPU, run CPU. So obviously Surface Duo 2 did just come out actually yesterday, and of course the Galaxy Fold 3 is the next newest phone coming out back in August. And then finally we have Surface Duo 2, which is technically speaking the oldest phone shown here today. Now, my personal opinion before getting even into this benchmark and these finish, I think the Surface Duo 1 should go ahead and finish absolutely last, while the Surface Duo 2 and the Fold 3 should be somewhat comparable. Now, we looked at this before when it came to leaked benchmarks of the Fold 3 and the Surface Duo 2, and they actually were pretty similar, but the Surface Duo 2 did go ahead and beat the Fold 3 by just a tad bit. Now, my personal benchmarks of the Fold 1, Fold 3, the Surface Duo, and the iPhone, the Fold 3 was actually pretty amazing. So I'm going to be interested to see if that does go ahead and keep up, or if it is the Surface Duo 2 just blows out these other two phones out of the market, because these are the foldable phones on the market right now. You could go ahead and add the Galaxy Z Flip in here too, but if you really want a foldable phone, you had two foldable screens on the left and the middle, and then you have an actual foldable glass display on the right hand side here. Obviously this is the outer display we're looking at for this benchmark. So make sure you go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button though, guys, because I am going to be uploading daily Surface Duo 2 content while still giving you guys the same old Galaxy Fold 3 content I always do. So it looks like these are just about to be finished for them. It looks like the Surface Duo 1 is actually the farthest one behind, so definitely interesting to see what these results are. Like I said before, keep in mind we have 8 gigabytes of RAM, 6 gigabytes of RAM, and 12 gigabytes of RAM. We have an I think it's a Snapdragon, I want to say 855 processor on the middle one. We have an 888 processor on the left one, and obviously we saw the ARM archetype on the right one for the Galaxy Fold 3. So we have different types of processors, different type of hardware on all these devices. So we'll see what ends up happening. So it looks like the Surface Duo 2 right about to wrap up. Surface Duo 1 still kind of tugging along. We're probably going to get the first results on the Surface Duo 2 would be my guess, and it looks like we most likely are. Oh nope, Galaxy Fold 3 finished first. So the Galaxy Fold 3 comes in at, and just completely turned off the display, 1010, so 1010 single core, 3246 multi-core. Now going down here, you guys can see this is all the information. So again, very, very awesome. 11.1 gigabytes of RAM on this. So obviously 12 gigabytes, but it's being utilized for this exact application. So still very, very good. Now taking a look at it compared to the Surface Duo 2 though, Surface Duo 2 is actually better. So Surface Duo 2 does come in at 1111 single core and 3481 multi-core, which of course is better than the Surface and the Galaxy Fold 3. Surprisingly enough, so Surface Duo 2 definitely holding up when it comes to its end of the bargain of being one of the best and fastest foldable smartphones. Obviously, it's not truly foldable, it's two screens put together, but that is of course beside the point with the fact that it is very comparable. Now, with that all being said, we do have the Slowpoke in the room, the Surface Duo 1, and yeah, For multi-core, it's actually not that bad. It comes in at 2904, while this one on the right hand side comes in at 3246, and the left hand side comes in at 3481. But for that single core of 757, it's definitely not very comparable with the Galaxy Fold 3 or the Surface Duo 2. But again, like I said, for the price tag, you got to keep in mind this phone in the middle is around $400. Probably get on eBay for even less than that. Phone on the right here is $14.99, and the phone on the left here is $14.99. Phone on the right here, the Galaxy Fold 3 here is actually going to go ahead and be around the price tag of $17.99. You could get it for discount, but I'm just going to give you the original price, $17.99. So with that being said, guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I want to go ahead and do a test here just to see which phone is truly fastest, and it's very clear it is the Surface Duo 2. We got leaked benchmarks of it being the fastest, but I wanted to make sure we actually benchmarked it and tested it ourselves, and it's definitely clear the Surface Duo 2 is going to go ahead and be coming in as the winner for the fastest foldable phone in the market right now. We'll have to wait and see what ends up happening with the Pixel Fold. That's a phone we're going to get sometime soon. We also have that Oppo's phone. They're also creating a foldable phone. How fast are they going to be for this? Again, a lot of information at once. We're gonna have to see what ends up happening. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment down below. Trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, so even one person from this video hits that subscribe button, it does help me out immensely. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.